the silent hormone that starts locking fat after 30. Something happens after 30 that no diet can fix. You've tried everything: dieting, workouts, cardio, fasting. Yet that stubborn belly fat just doesn't go away. Why? Because the real problem isn't your diet, it's your hormones. After the age of 30, a silent hormone inside your body slowly begins to change, and that's when your body stops burning fat and starts locking it instead. No matter how healthy you eat or how hard you exercise, nothing seems to work. That silent hormone is called insulin. In your 20s, insulin works perfectly. Your body uses sugar for energy and doesn't store it as fat. But after 30, hormones like estrogen, cortisol, and insulin start losing their balance. Stress levels rise, sleep quality drops, and your body gets confused. Should I burn energy or store it? The result? Your belly fat gets locked in place and your body holds onto it no matter what you do. Whenever you snack throughout the day, a biscuit, tea time treats, even a handful of nuts, your insulin spikes every single time. And when insulin stays high, your fat-burning switch turns off. Your body starts running only on sugar and forgets how to use stored fat for energy. That's why even if you do 100 crunches or skip dinner, the fat doesn't melt. Because the problem isn't your calories, it's your hormones. But here's the good news. You can turn this switch back on. Just give your body a break between meals. Try a simple 12-hour gap. Finish dinner by 8 p.m. and have breakfast after 8 a.m. This small fasting window helps calm your insulin and brings your body back into fat-burning mode. And whenever you eat carbs, pair them with protein or fiber like lentils, eggs, nuts, or vegetables. This keeps your insulin balanced and your energy steady, so your body naturally starts burning fat again. Now comes the next villain, the stress hormone cortisol. Whenever you're anxious or overthinking, cortisol shoots sky high. And guess what it tells your body? Store fat, go into survival mode. That's why people under constant stress gain belly fat first and lose it last. So here's what to do. Every day, spend a few minutes on deep breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. At night, take a light walk or sit in silence with your screen off. When your mind relaxes, cortisol drops, and that's when your body finally starts to let go of fat. Next comes thyroid, your body's metabolism engine. When it slows down, your calorie burning comes to a halt. To support your thyroid, add a pinch of rock salt to your meals. Eat 4 soaked almonds daily and include some yoga. After 30, another hormonal shift begins, an imbalance between estrogen and progesterone. This brings mood swings, water retention, and stubborn belly fat. To balance them, add broccoli, cauliflower, and flax seeds to your diet. And then comes melatonin, the night hero. It doesn't just help you sleep, it helps your body burn fat while you rest. But when you stay up late scrolling on your phone, melatonin drops, and your body stops releasing fat. The solution is simple. Turn off your phone 1 hour before bed, dim the lights, and have a warm cup of milk. This switches your body into repair mode. Remember, belly fat isn't your enemy. It's a message. Your body is telling you, I need balance. And the moment you start calming your hormones, your body begins to heal itself. So next time you look in the mirror, don't feel guilty. Don't fight your body. Become its friend. Understand your hormones, balance them, and the fat will melt away on its own. If this message touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe to Clinical Discovery so you can uncover the hidden science of your body and live your best, natural self every day.